In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method in Progressive Insurance. To get started, sign in to your Progressive account using the Progressive website or open the Progressive mobile app if that's more convenient for you. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access your policy details and billing settings. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you can update the right policy without confusion. From your account dashboard, select the insurance policy you want to manage. After that, look for the payments section. This is where Progressive keeps your billing information, including your balance, payment activity, and saved payment methods. Opening this section is the key step because it gives you access to the tools you need to make changes safely and directly from your account. Next, choose the option that says Update Payment Method, Manage Payment Methods, or something similar. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on whether you're using the website or the app, but the goal is the same. In this area, you can replace an existing payment method, add a new credit card, debit card, or bank account, and choose which method you want to use going forward. Now enter your new payment information carefully. If you're adding a card, type in the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing zip code. If you prefer to pay from a bank account, enter the routing number and account number instead. Take your time here and double check everything before moving on, since even a small typo can cause a payment to fail later. If you're enrolled in autopay, this part is especially important. Make sure the new payment method is selected as the default option for future premium payments. Updating your saved payment method alone may not always switch your automatic payments, so it's a good idea to confirm that autopay is tied to the new method you want to use. This helps avoid missed payments or declined transactions. Once everything looks correct, review the updated details and select Save, Update, or Confirm to apply the changes. This final step tells Progressive to store the new payment information and use it according to your account settings. After saving, go back to the billing page and verify that the new payment method appears as your active or default payment option. That confirmation helps you make sure the update went through successfully. If you run into any problems while trying to change it online, contact Progressive customer service for additional help.